Realme launched its new budget-friendly phone under C-series in India called Realme C73, with 5G support. Now let's have a look at the specifications of this smartphone. The new Realme C73 5G features a tall 6.67-inch HD Plus display, with up to 120Hz refresh rate and up to 625 nits of peak brightness support. Under the hood, the phone comes powered by MediaTek Dimensity 6300 chipset, paired with Mali G57MC2 GPU. The smartphone packs with 4 GB of RAM, that can be extended up to 8 GB by using internal storage, and it has 64 or 128 GB of onboard storage, which is expandable up to 2 TB via hybrid microSD card slot. As per the optics, the Realme C73 5G sports a 32-megapixel main camera, with f1.8 aperture, along with the unspecified auxiliary lens. At the front it has 8-megapixel selfie camera under the hole punch at the top center, with f2.0 aperture. The device comes equipped by a massive 6000 mAh battery, with 15 watts fast charging support, and it runs on Android 15 out of the box, with Realme UI 6.0 skin on top. Additionally, the smartphone features a side-mounted fingerprint sensor for authentication, and it is IP64 certified for dust and splash resistance, and it is also military standard 810H compliant for shock resistance. The connectivity option on the phone includes 5G, dual-band Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.3, GPS, 3.5mm headphone jack, and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of this smartphone measures at 165.7 by 76.22 by 7.94 millimeters, and it weighs around 197 grams. So now let's explore the pricing details of this smartphone. The Realme C73 5G has been priced in India for 4GB plus 64GB storage variant at 10,499 Indian rupees, while the 4GB plus 128GB storage option is priced at 11,499 Indian rupees. The smartphone is now available for purchase in the country in jade green, crystal purple, and onyx black color options. So, what do you guys think of this Realme C73 5G smartphone? Do let us know in the comments section below, and stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching, we'll see you guys in our next video.
Yeah.